Alright, so we are just sauteing some shrimp here in some butter and some garlic. And these still have the skin on there, which is good. So it actually locks in the flavor a little bit more. Over. We kept the garlic and the skin exactly just look at that. Rubbing this garlic on the bottom here. Alright, we're going to take this out, put it straight, and leave that garlic there. This knife is so dramatic for this little tiny shrimp. I'm going to take this, throw that into our infused avocado. And again, you want to remember with tinctures, they have their own flavor. Now, you're doing the most important thing when it comes to infusing your food is finding out what flavors can you blend together. Cool. I'm actually going to add a little garlic powder in there because I don't think you can have too much garlic. Put that to the side. And then the fun part is just us plating our food. This here on the bottom. My wife is a pastry chef, so if I didn't actually come here and scrape this off, she would kill me. That'd be the last video you guys ever get from me, so can't have that. And plus, you infused all this, so you definitely want to get... Uh-oh, my daughter is coming. Hi. Hi. Leave that. We're not going outside. Look, your house doesn't smell like cannabis. It doesn't smell like weed. As long as your child doesn't eat your food, you will be fine.